The teacher dey flog student for school because each one student turn when rouge
Continue.
grab get chest
No be juju be that.
big pass the teacher for side.
She what?
Based on fear na teacher call it.
Marvelous.
Yeah.
What are the 3 tricks secondary teachers uses on student?
Number one na question fit just come up for class when even teacher never know the answer. Because they ask the student. Student go say I don't know am o. Teacher go say so people don't know it. So you don't know it. And teacher too no know am o. Because the assignment for everybody. Go home and do research and come and give me the answer tomorrow. And the student go do research, teacher go do research too.
Hey!
The teacher forget to do your research, no come class that day.
Funke!
If they go call and say we go call you give excuse, I'm not too strong, I lie. Forget to do your research. You know come for me.
you.
What about number 2 trick?
Number 2, the teacher dey flog student for school because each one student turn when rouge
Continue.
grab get chest
No be juju be that.
big pass the teacher for side.
She what?
Based on fear na teacher call dey give excuse. And you I will just spare you. I don't have your time. I don't have your time. I lie the fear. For flogger na me world war begin.
May God
They go
not
beat
allow
am
them,
eh.
let them kill you.
The teacher no na me can just respect himself.
You be mumu.
What about number 3 trick?
Yeah, number 3, the teacher give assignment, majority of the students no come do am. Teacher come dey flog
Continue.
like the way they do us one time. Teacher give assignment, you no come do am. Teacher come dey vex, dey flog everybody wey no do assignment. As she dey flog, she dey lament. Say, I will give you assignment and you no do it. I don't even understand your parents sef. My children won't try this nonsense.
First we
Na
hear
one
of
of the
this.
pikin dey the class.
Continue.
So when he don flog reach where the pikin dey, when he check the pikin book, the pikin too no do assignment. And the class shout, hey! And he say, keep quiet. Now look at pikin. And I say, I will just spare you. Because we went for all night. That's why I did not do it.
She what?
Eh?
So he did not flog the child.
You know flogger now, but all students today lose guard. We plan the pikin beat am after school. We
Child.
beat am beat am pass the beating when the mama even beat herself.
There is God.
Your mama dey whine. You flog us, you no come flog you.
He shock you.
We beat am the next time when you no do assignment, when the mama wan flog, I dey tell the mommy say, mommy flog me.
Hey! I hear
You whine.
me.
Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like this one, you're gonna like the next one. I promise. ABEG. Just subscribe. One love.